Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with a MultiBlast range of blast pots. We have a machine suitable for your application. Applications include blasting of automotive, construction, aerospace and general restoration. Each machine is fitted with a certain size of blast nozzle and requires a minimum amount of CFM air supply. The Pro 16 requires 20 CFM. The Pro 45 requires at least 45 CFM. The Pro 90 requires 90 CFM. The Pro 180 requires 140 CFM. And the Pro 320 a minimum of 200 CFM. The MultiBlast range of blast pots are all manufactured in Australia for Aussie applications and are fully serviceable. Okay, let's go over some of the features. The machines come fitted with a multimedia valve, which is good for blasting with garnet, glass, walnut shell, and some models are capable of blasting with soda. All machines have an air supply moisture separator, a remote Deadman trigger valve with an exhaust system, adjustable multimedia blast valve. The MultiBlast machines are available with the pot and blast hose or the full package. The full blast package includes the blast hose with remote Deadman trigger, the blast helmet, the filter and the hose. Okay, let's get the machine prepared for blasting. First we're going to connect the blast hose, the Deadman trigger control, the filter system, the helmet with the supply hose, and then the main air supply. Then we'll fill the blast pot with garnet and then turn the ball valve on for the supply and the machine is ready. You can buy online or you can contact us at Capital Machinery Sales for more information.